diversity of skills and manufacturing capabilities that we have been able to assemble in such a short time I've been here is also exciting. It also allows us opportunity to partner up with more local companies and continue to grow. We are well aware, we know the rebuild of Australian manufacturing starts with us, and we're excited to be a part of this journey.
At AGBOSS, we are a proud second-generation manufacturing company, and we're on a mission to become a iconic global manufacturer. In terms of jobs growth and bringing it to the region is so we've had in the last 3 years we've managed to go from just over 10 staff to now just over 50, and by the completion of this project we'll be up close to 70 staff, and that's something we're pretty proud about because it provides a lot of impact for the local community. I guess with the regional job creation fund, it does open up the avenue as well for people to come in from the cities, and Adam's a great example of that. Moving down from Sydney, being able to find a great opportunity to get his teeth stuck into. But we've got some big tasks ahead of us. We're excited for Australian manufacturing, and it's good to see moving to the regions, and we're up for the challenge. So, thank you.